Hello children, we saw in our last class, that is introduction of the digestion in humans. Okay, that is nutrition in animals. You saw what is the nutrition in our last lesson only. Okay, that is two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition and another one is heterotrophic nutrition. In plants, that is some plants they are making by own food, that we can say it is a autotrophic nutrition. Okay, now animals, in animals it is depends upon the other things, so we can say it is a heterotrophic nutrition. So here the mode of taking food, we can say it is a nutrition. Okay, so here after we are taking food, how we are human beings are taking in and we can digest the food and excrete it. So let us see deeply in this in this lesson. Okay, so we saw the parts of the digestive system in last lesson. What are the parts? We call it. Okay, so the parts in the digestive system, we have how many parts? How many parts in this? 6 parts in the digestive system. So elementary canal. Elementary canal is the digestive part in the humans. Okay, in elementary canal having divided so many parts. Some parts. How many parts? 6 parts. Okay, 6 parts of the elementary canal. What are those parts? Okay, let us see. First one is mouth or buccal cavity. Mouth or buccal cavity. Okay, the second one is food pipe or esophagus. Sorry children, O is silent. Esophagus. And the third part of the elementary canal, we can say that is, so this is the parts of elementary canal. So first one is mouth or buccal cavity, and the second one is food pipe or esophagus. Then third one is stomach. And the fourth one is small intestine, and the fifth one is large intestine, and sixth one is anus. Okay, the last one is anus. These are the parts of the elementary canal, that we can say it is a human digestive system. Okay, so in human digestive system we want to include some things to this. Okay, we have salivary glands. Okay, we have to include the glands. Okay, so we have 3 glands included to this elementary canal. We have a human digestive system. So what are those glands? First one is liver. The glands, 3 glands we are included to this elementary canal. Okay, so what are the glands? First one is liver, and the second one is, okay, second one is pancreas, and the third one is salivary glands. In this, salivary glands is very important. Okay, to eat. All these 3 glands are very important, but in this it is very important. Salivary glands. So all these 3 glands, there is a production of digestive juices by the digestion of food. It produces digestive juices. Okay, by the help of these juices, we should make the complex substances which we are eating, that we should break down into simpler substances. Okay, understood? So in the saliva which is present in our mouth, it reduces, that is, it make the food into simpler substances to swallow. It helps to swallow. We cannot swallow the bigger particles which we are eating. We should chew. Okay, and after chewing, the mouth helps to mix the food and saliva. Okay, so after mixing that saliva is used to break down, that is starch, making of starch. After that, that small simpler particles is swallowing by us. Okay, so that is saliva is used to making simpler substances, which we are eating the complex substances. Okay, understood? That is the alimentary canal. Again, let us see these both. Okay, both these two, alimentary canal and glands. Okay, these three glands, both we are adding this. We can say it is a digestive system. Okay, human digestive system. Human digestive system. Human digestive system. See, so this is the human digestive system. Okay, let us see here. I told in our last class, that is by the chart. So this is the mouth or buccal cavity. So mouth or buccal cavity. Okay, this is the mouth or buccal cavity. And then the food particle which we are eating here, it moves to the food pipe. This food pipe, we can say it is a food pipe or esophagus. Esophagus. Then it moves to the stomach. See, it is the stomach here. Okay, so the stomach is the wider part, the larger part in the human digestive system. The stomach is the wider part of the human digestive system. Then it moves on to the small intestine. See, the small intestine starts from the stomach. Okay, under of the stomach. From here. So here it is and here. This we can say it is a duodenum. Okay, duodenum. The starting part of the small intestine is duodenum. So here, from here it is starting. Okay, so this is a large intestine. The gray color one it is showing now. So this is large intestine. So inside this, it moves inside the large intestine. Okay, so this also a small intestine. This also a small intestine. So this is a large intestine. Okay, so here which we are eating the food, it is moving through the mouth or buccal cavity and through the food pipe. That is food pipe, we can say it is a esophagus, and then move on to the stomach. Okay, and then this stomach is producing the digestive juices and hydrochloric acid for that is digesting the food which we are eating. And then it moves after digestion, the food particles, the energy that is moving to the small intestine. In that small intestine, the finger-like structures are present in the small intestine. That structure, we can say that is the name of that finger-like structure is villi. Okay, villi, that is absorbing the energy from the food, okay, which we are eating. From that food, the food is making, after coming to the stomach, after coming from the stomach to the large intestine, the food particles are changes into smaller particles that we can say it as sugar particles. The sugar particles, we can say another name is carbohydrates. That carbohydrates are absorbed by the finger-like structures. It is villi. This villi is transformed the energy, that is carbohydrates, from the small intestine to the all the parts of the body. Okay, so it is absorbed by the small intestine. In that finger-like structure is there. That finger-like structure, that villi is absorbing the energy from the food. Okay, so then it moves on to the after unwanted food items. Okay, that is moving on to the large intestine, and then it moves on to the rectum and anus. It is excreted. Okay, so understood, children? This is, and then let us see briefly about one by one. Okay, let us see briefly about one by one. The first one is mouth or buccal cavity. Okay, the first one is mouth or buccal cavity. So mouth. Okay, so mouth. In the mouth, we are eating. Okay, while eating food, it is a greater particles. That particles are chewing by teeth, and it is moving and mixing with saliva, and then it is swallowed. It should be swallowed by using of tongue and saliva. Okay, so first thing, we should see that is saliva present in our mouth. Okay, so in saliva there is a digestive juices. Okay, so the salivary glands, the sublingual glands, so these are all present in our mouth. Okay, after chewing the food, it is swallowing to food pipe, and food pipe is moves the food to the stomach. Okay, so here we have three parts. One is saliva here is there, and another one is tongue is there, and another one is teeth. Okay, these three things are important for mouth or buccal cavity. Okay, we know the saliva is present in the mouth and it is produced the saliva. Okay, while eating. Okay, and then tongue. Okay, tongue is used to swallow the food. Tongue is used to swallow the food, and it is used to, tongue is used to mix the food with saliva which we are eating. Okay, so tongue is used to swallow the food, and it is used to mix the food which we are eating with the saliva. Okay, and one more thing, beside this, tongue is used to talk. Okay, while we are talking, without tongue we can't speak, we can't talk. Okay, and another thing, tongue is used to taste. Okay, so tongue has so many taste buds. Okay, tongue is having a taste buds. So we have to taste the food which we are eating. Okay, if it is a cold, or if it is a hot, or if it is a spicy. Okay, so like that we want to taste the food. So tongue is used to taste the food also. And then we move to teeth. Okay, so teeth is very important in our life. Okay, so while eating, without teeth we can't eat. While eating, teeth is very important. Okay, let us study about teeth very briefly. Okay, so that is teeth. Okay, the milk teeth. While taking birth, we are not having a teeth. In all animals also, some animals is having teeth while birth, but human beings are not having teeth while taking birth. Okay, so from birth we are not having teeth. So after 1 year we are having the teeth is grown. Okay, that teeth we can say it is a milk teeth. That teeth we can say it is a milk teeth. Okay, after 10 years, okay, after 7 to 10 or 11, 12 years, that milk teeth is fallen, and the next the teeth is grown. Okay, that teeth we can say it is a permanent teeth. The two types of teeth. What are the two types of teeth? Milk teeth. Okay, teeth. Two types of teeth. One is milk teeth, and second one is permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Okay, so one is milk teeth and another one is permanent teeth. So milk teeth, while taking birth, after taking birth we have the milk teeth. Okay, after 1 year we have the teeth is grown. That teeth we can say it is a milk teeth. After fallen of milk teeth, the teeth is grown. Okay, again the teeth is grown. That teeth we can say it is a permanent teeth. Okay, that teeth it is permanent till our death or our old age. Okay, so that permanent teeth will be as it is for with us, that is till the death or till our old age. Okay, so this we can say it is a permanent teeth. Okay, so and then the permanent teeth. Okay, so let us see the permanent teeth in us. We have the downwards and upwards of teeth. Okay, so the downwards we have 16 teeth and the upwards we have 16 teeth in adults. Okay, in small children they don't have 16 plus 16. Okay, they are having 12 plus 12. Okay, they are having 12 plus 12. So after grown-ups, okay, that is adults are having 16 plus 16 teeth. Okay, so that is we can say first four teeth. Okay. The first four teeth we can say it is a incisors. Incisor. The types of permanent teeth. Okay. So then we have this side one teeth and this side one teeth. Okay. This we can say it is a canines. Canines. Okay. So then we have the another teeth. Okay. So another two sets of teeth. This side two teeth and this side two teeth. So these are all arranged in the same order. Okay. So here these two and these two teeth. We can say it is a premolars. Premolars. These premolar teeth are present in the middle adult. Okay. So after 20 years. After 20 years. Sorry. After 15 years. It is grown very strongly after premolars. Okay. Then after premolars, it is a molar teeth. Okay. This molar teeth are on. See. This molar teeth are on adults. This molar teeth are on adult stage. Okay. See. This molar teeth. This molar teeth are having adult stage. Okay. See. See, that is the four types of teeth are there. Okay, one is incisors, another one is canines, and another one is premolars and molars. Okay, so now see, incisors are the front teeth. Okay, so and then canines. Okay, then premolars and molars. Okay, see here we have the separate that is functions of this teeth. Okay, incisors. Incisors also we can say it is a cutting and piercing teeth. Cutting and biting. Okay, see incisors. Incisors are cutting and biting. Cutting and biting teeth. Okay, incisors are cutting and biting teeth. And then canines. Canines are also canines, we can say it is a cutting and piercing. Okay, so cutting and piercing. Okay, so or otherwise we can say piercing and tearing. That is tearing the food. So we can say piercing and tearing food. Piercing and tearing food. Okay, and then premolars. Premolars. So premolars we can say it is a grinding and chewing teeth. Grinding and chewing teeth. Grinding and chewing teeth. Then molars always cutting and grinding. Cutting and grinding teeth. Okay. See, these are the functions of the teeth. So incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So incisors are cutting and biting teeth. And canines we can say it is piercing and tearing teeth. And premolars we can say it is a grinding and chewing teeth. Okay. And molars we can say it is a cutting and grinding teeth. Okay. So the functions of teeth also we saw, and what are the precautions we should take to find the teeth. Okay, to protect the teeth. So what are the precautions? So while decaying. Okay, see. So we have like the teeth roots. Okay, so inside this. Okay, so these roots are affected by the disease causing organisms. Okay, after we are eating, the food particles are balanced inside inside our teeth. Okay, that food particles are changes into bacteria. Okay, that bacteria are it is spoiling our teeth. That it should be decaying of teeth. Okay, we can say it is a tooth decaying. Okay, so the gradual damage of teeth, the damaging of teeth, we can say it is a tooth decay. Okay, so it starts from the layer of the teeth. First, it starts from the layer of the teeth. Okay, and then it grows inside. It grows more and more, and it goes inside the teeth. Okay, like this, it goes inside the teeth, and after at last, it eats the teeth. Then it move on to the canals, roots of the teeth. Okay, it affected, and finally it comes to loss of teeth. It comes to loss of teeth. So for this, we want to prevent our teeth. Okay, see, first it should comes on the bacteria or comes on the layer of the teeth. Okay, after that it moves inside the teeth, and finally it fully affected the teeth. Okay, after that it moves on the roots of the teeth. Okay, so it affected to the roots of the teeth, that causes the loss of the teeth. Okay, so after loss of teeth, we can't do anything. We can't eat. We can't chew. Okay, so no more process are done by our teeth. So it is very important to prevent our teeth. So what is the prevention of teeth? What are the precautions we should take to prevent the teeth? Okay, so while brushing 2 to 3 times a day, it is minimum 2 times a day. That is from at the morning and at the night. Okay, so 2 times we are brushing. That decreases the tooth decay. Okay, and it decreases the more amount of tooth loss. Okay, and then we should eat. While we are eating, after eating, we should rinse. Okay, that is we should rinse our mouth using water. Okay, using water or any rinse products are there. Okay, so we are using that. We should rinse after eating. Okay, we are doing means that decreases the tooth decay. Okay, so these are the things we are saying about the